Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to add open command prompt here to Explorer right-click menu. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click and expand HKey classes root. Click and expand directory. Click and expand background. Click and expand shell. Create new key named as open command prompt here. Create new key named as command. Opening double quote // Windows /system32 /cmd.exe closing double quotes. Click OK and exit registry editor. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.